Now we shall boot up the PC and check out the speed and display and other aspects of it. There we go. This is the boot screen, and the PC has started. I will just log in into that. Yeah, this displays a 24 inches panel, and it supports HDR video also playback. I will go to the properties from here. Yeah. As you can see, this comes with the Windows 10 Home. It has the i5 processor with a base frequency of 1 GHz and goes up to somewhere around 4 GHz, 8 GB RAM, and it comes with 2 hard disks basically. There we go. Disk drives, yeah. So this is the 256 GB SSD for the system memory, and it comes with a 1 TB hard disk for storage. So I have done a lot of research on this before buying this PC, as we all know that all-in-ones are very convenient and take up less space, and post lockdown this has been the first PC which has come into Bangalore, and I got the first one. That is why you are seeing this video. So overall it's a very good performer. I will show you some HDR videos on this too. Before that, we'll show you the options of HDR here. You have to go to the display settings. That is known as the Windows HD color. You click on it. Here you get the stream HDR video option on, which is already set to on. You can always get a demo here of how the things look. Now we'll check out the basic 8K performance of the video here on YouTube. (8K HDR). And as you can see, we will go to the options. Click on 8K. And the sound is very good. I'll show you the close-up of the design. At all, and it has good viewing angles. Overall, you can choose to go for this PC if you are looking for all-in-one, and this comes at a very good price point also. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video.